Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you stopping by, checking out this video. Red Demon, she's back up in the air again, as you see. Beautiful day outside. Got the doors up in the shop. Excuse the traffic going by. I know it's a little noisy, but it is what it is. Too pretty to have the doors down. So today, I'm going to address a few things. Last video, you guys seen I got some new spindles. We're going to get those swapped out in a couple more videos. I got them cleaned up and painted and ready to be put on, but we're going to get those swapped out. So make sure you stay tuned in the future for those videos. But today we're going to do a little bit of upgrading, and as you've seen in the thumbnail, we're going to upgrade the Blowoff. So I got the newer version. This is mine, my old one. Well, it's really not old, but it's an older version. So we got the newer version right here. We're going to upgrade the lines to 1/4 inch. Got some 1/4 inch lines in. They come with all the clamps that you need. And I ordered some tees, some 1/4 inch tees. The lines that I went with, I believe it was, I think it was like 316. I can't remember, man. But we're going to up the size. Let's just say that. So I already went underneath there and massaged on the splash guard a little bit because the other one actually rubbed a little bit on the splash guard. So I went there and massaged that a little bit with the heat gun so I can get some more clearance in there. So we're going to get ready to pull this one right here out of the box and check it out and get this thing installed, change out these vacuum lines. So I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Check out my Instagram. You'll see the spindles before I painted them, all that good stuff, man. Go check out my Instagram though, guys. I usually post a good bit on there when I can, when I'm not working. So today we're not working. We're gonna work on the Red Demon. So let's get this package opened up. Check out this blow-off valve. All right, let's see here. Move this out of the way. Get a knife. Bad boy opened up. See what we got. Keep wanting to fold it up. All right. Here's the newer blow-off valve compared to my other one. So we're gonna swap out, get this one right here installed. You should have everything you need. It comes with your clamp, extra spring. I think this spring is a little bit softer. And then of course you got your banjo bolt and you hook up for your vacuum, extra O-rings, extra flat washers it looks like. And also looks like you have a I'm assuming this could be a bung to weld in. So you also have a bung you can weld in your pipe if you're doing a kit yourself. So we got all that in the new one, and what I want to do, like I said, is get this 1/4 inch line, and you come with all the clamps, both bags. I can't remember, I think it was like 10 foot in a bag, something like that. And this is the silicone hose. That's what's on there now. I bought silicone the first time also, so. But here we go, we got some silicone hose. We're gonna get this hose swapped out. See if I can get it unwound without slapping myself in the face. But there we go. Got some 1/4 inch. And like I said, we got some tees. And all this hose and the tees I got on eBay, of course. And we got some 1/4 inch tees. There we go. And then we got our clamps to go right on there. So like I said, guys, you know me, if you've been around my channel for a while, you know I'm a bargain buyer, I guess you'd say, and try to, you know, do things on a budget. I know everybody's got different versions of budgets, but that's what I consider a budget.
Powering off.
Yeah, you power off. Thank you. And like I said, everything in the package come with it. So what we need to do is get this one right here on the car and start routing in some 1/4 inch lines. All right, so what I need to do now is get my banjo bolt and all installed. Washer go on there. Slip it through here. Then we'll put another one on top. Sandwich it in there. It don't really, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down. It don't really matter which way this turns, because you can turn this thing whichever way you need to. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it down. There we go. Nice and tight. Crawl up underneath the car. Set this bad boy on there, get it tightened up, and start working on some vacuum lines. Alright, right here's what I did to massaging. Like I said, the other one was tight before up against it. So this is where I did a little bit of massaging. It ain't pretty, but it don't matter. And this is where a blow-off valve is going to go, the new one, which is, excuse me, which is sitting right there. I got the O-ring that we had before. I'm going to put a little bit of, just a little bit of air lube oil on it. Just a little bit of oil, it don't matter what it is, as long as it's got some lube on it. A little bit of lube on that, set that up there, get the clamp back on it, and then start wrapping the 1/4 inch lines. And then, yeah, go from there. And boom, just like that, it's installed. Alright, so got that in there nice and tight. So now we're going to work on the vacuum lines. I'm going to change this one out too, of course. Go ahead and put a 1/4 inch, take this one off, change it out. Then we'll go up top. Alright, now up top, we're going to put a T in right here where it's coming off the front of the turbo. Right there, we're going to put a T in it, and we're going to do some rerouting right here also. So I'm going to get set up and get ready to start working on some vacuum lines. And yeah, let's do that. Line going to the blow off. I just cleaned this place up earlier, trying to make it look a little more presentable for you guys, but look at it, it's already dirty again. Here we go. We're gonna go off the same length of this one because this one was fine, had plenty of slack, so we'll cut it off right there. And as you see, this is silicone. And hang on, I'll show you guys the difference. Let me cut this. Get rid of this. There we go. Try to square this off a little better. There we go, that's better. All right. Now I'll show you the difference. This is the line I was running before, and that's what we're going to, 1/4 inch. And like I said, this is silicone too, just like this one. So, see if I can get it back in the sleeve. I didn't have an elbow. This is the elbow that I was using. As you see, it's small. And there's no way that 1/4 inch is going to go on there, so. I had this one in my toolbox. I've had it for years. I'll get another one, but I'm going to use this one right now. So I'm just going to slide my 1/4 inch on there. And I should have a cap that we can put on the bottom. Right there. We'll cap that bottom off. And then of course this will just sit right in there like that. We'll use the black one up top. Got it on there. we go. Now this vacuum line is ready to be put back onto the blow off, so I'll stick that back on real quick. Got team in port. I'll stick this back on. I'll stick this back on real quick, and we'll go on to the next lines. Right, so I pulled this one off the front of the turbo, just going to the Turbo Smart. And this is the line we got to put T in, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to this length because I know this length's good and we can put the T in it anywhere really. Alright. Square this off. There we go. Right, there's our new one. Like I said, we're gonna cut everything by the lengths that we already have. We're just gonna be changing it up just a little bit. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I'll show you the end product when I get done. I know it's hard to see with the shadow from the camera, but as you see, I got the vacuum line on there. Of course, I used a clamp to come with it, and got it strapped back up. I used a washer right here. I mean a nut. Use a nut on the back side of the clamp. I actually stretched the clamp over a 1/2 inch extension just so it don't pinch the hose. Even though this is a 1/2 inch clamp, you still need to stretch them. So I just stuck it in a extension and stretched it, and then put a nut on the back side. That way when it cinched up tight, it didn't squeeze against the chassis of the car. So, and she's running up through there, so now we'll go to the other side and get started on that one. Got the vacuum lines done. I'm gonna show you guys here real quick. Got much light in the shop. I need to upgrade, actually. Need to put some LEDs up in here, but now still got the line coming out right there. I got to get a bigger 90 that comes out here, because that ain't a quarter, of course. So I just got to zip tie the best I can, but I need to get another 90 ordered. And it's coming out like it was before. Nothing's really changed. The T is actually down inside there. So we'll hop down here. Let me move the light down here and get it adjusted so we can see what we're looking at. Oh. Alright, there we go. Alright, right here's the line coming from the turbo, going up to the Turbo Smart, and then it comes back out of the Turbo Smart and comes into the top, and then the bottom goes into the T that I put into the line up there. So those are done. I had a little bit of the heat shield left, so I wrapped all the lines up with some of that, and yeah, blow off, wastegate, everything's hooked back up, and I believe we can wrap this one up. All right, vacuum lines are done. Blow off valve is installed. Everything's been upgraded. So got that taken care of. I'll hang on to all the silicone hoses that I took off of the car. Use them for something else one day. You never know. And that's pretty much it in this video, guys. Next video, I'll jump on the front end and work on getting these spindles swapped out. We're going to get these, I think these are 2000, pretty sure. So anyway, we're going to get those swapped out. We're going to get the 94, 95s that you guys seen painted up. Get those installed on the car. And we're going to change up a few other things on the front end too. So make sure you keep an eye out for that video. That'll be coming soon. I just wanted to get this little old tedious stuff done today while I had a day off. Next day off, going to jump right on the front end, get that thing going. That way we can get the car back down on the ground. I don't want to keep it up in the air no 4 years again. So, yeah, we're going to get working on the front end, get it back down on the ground. I got everything I need to work on the front end. I just need to get a day to come out here and do it. So, keep an eye out for that, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below. Go follow my Facebook page, DEMONFOX 5.0. Instagram, DEMONFOX_5.0. Go check it out. And I really appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out this video. I'll see you in the next one.